This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, so guys, so if we'll talk about AutoIt now, so whenever when automating web application, many times we can find like basically window-based activity, right? Like file upload or any download pop-up or printing some document or window authentication for secure sites like this. Okay, okay, so like this. I hope you guys are pretty clear. Okay, so as of now, as per our current whatever the steps we have seen, so as we know, like Selenium can automate only browsers like web-based applications, right. So if whatever the scope I have discussed, so it is beyond the Selenium scope and capability, right or wrong, right or wrong, right? So then if we'll basically come to the point, so if I want to perform such operations like file upload or pop-up downloading, printing documents like this, so we need a third party tool. Okay, so we need to use third party tool and then only we can execute the stuff. Okay, so in this case basically we need to use third party tool, that is AutoIt, Sequely, like this. Okay, so mostly for image testing also we use Sequely. Okay, so now here we are going to talk regarding AutoIt. So basically we'll use here AutoIt and it will always handle desktop or Windows elements or application, and it will combine AutoIt script with our Selenium code. So I will not go in such a depth, but at least I will explain each and every point. Okay, so if we are talking about AutoIt, so AutoIt is a freeware that means open source. Okay, a scripting language. Okay, so AutoIt is a freeware scripting language. Okay, designed for automating the Windows and general scripting. It's clear. You guys can see my screen, right? Right? So what is then AutoIt? So it is just another automation tool. Another automation tool like Selenium, and it is used for basically desktop automation. Desktop automation rather than web automation. Okay, it's clear. Now if we are talking about AutoIt now, so it is a basically powerful tool. Okay, and it can be, or it can automate desktop windows, button, and form, then mouse movements. Okay, and etc. It's clear. It's clear. So how to write a script in AutoIt if we'll talk about. So how to write a script in AutoIt. Okay, so we need, if anyone asks you, then you have to say for AutoIt scripting we should have three things ready. The first thing is AutoIt editor. Okay, So we need three things as below. Okay, so the first thing is AutoIt editor. The second thing will have tool finder. Okay, and the third thing will have AutoIt help section. Okay, so now if I'm talking about AutoIt editor, so what is the use of this? So editor basically helps us to write AutoIt scripts. Okay, now if we'll talk about tool finder, so basically we'll use tool finder. So have you heard about crowpath crowpath? I hope you
Yes.
guys have heard about. So
Yes,
tool finder is same like as to basically crowpath. So it will help us to verify, not verify, identify the element and check their attributes and values. So check their attributes. Now AutoIt help section. So what is the use of this? So this help us to understand basically about AutoIt functions and what are the parameters it accepts. Okay, it's clear, chalo now please take a screenshot fatafat, please take a screenshot. So we need three things: AutoIt editor, then tool finder, and then AutoIt help section, right? It's clear, it's clear.
yes,
Okay, okay, now you guys have taken the screenshot, do let me know. Done.
Yes, Shamit.
Okay, now how exactly we can use AutoIt? So how to download AutoIt and how exactly basically AutoIt we can use. Steps to use AutoIt. ठीक है, जितना अभी तक मैंने आपको बताया ना उतना बता दिया, AutoIt काफी है इंडस्ट्री में सर्वाइवल के लिए. ठीक है, सो नाउ अगर आपको AutoIt डाउनलोड करना है तो कहां से करते हो? I'll show you. AutoIt. Okay, you can see at autoit.com. Okay, so autoitescape.com, you can see here one folder. Here you will have download option inside AutoIt, right? Go to the download. Okay, now you guys can see a next option, next like kind of, you guys can see, hey, or you can go ahead with this download AutoIt, right? You can see a download AutoIt option. You can see you have to download from here, right? And then you can install it. Then you have to download the editor also, right? It's clear. So at first what you need to do, you have to download AutoIt, then you have to download editor. Okay, it's clear, guys. When the both stuff is installed na, then what you need to do, you have to go to your C program files, AutoIt you guys can see? No? We don't have AutoIt here. Okay. I will check program files 86. AutoIt 3. You guys can see? See? I will click here. So you can see here multiple options, right? Right. So generally it goes to C program files, but actually in my case it is coming to C program files 86. Okay. Okay. So it's clear. Clear, guys. Now you guys can see here SCIT option. SCIT option. You guys can see this is your editor. Okay. You can see here SCIT. Right. Right. You guys can see now. See, I will click here. This is your
Yes,
editor.
Sumit.
Right, this is your editor. Okay, now I will come to the another part. You can see your auto AU3 info. It's your finder tool. You can see your finder tool option. What you need to do, you need to click and you need to select it. Okay, so this is your finder tool. This is your editor. Right, right, and at last you will get one option, help option. You will get here. You can see here AutoIt3 help. So this is your help section. So all the three sections now you guys are pretty clear. Like inside this you will have editor, this one, right, 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 guys, bolo fatafat. It's your editor. Right, now if I
Yes.
will come here, so you will be able to see basically finder tool. You will see here auto AU3 info, and this one is your help section. Okay, it's clear. It's clear. So we are good till now. Sure. Okay, so at first what we need to do, at first navigate to AutoIt official site. Okay, then download AutoIt and install. Then third thing, what we need to do, we need to download editor, right? Download editor and install, right? Right. So now once both installed in our machine, okay, we can check all three things which discussed earlier. Okay, okay. Now once we are good with the thing, okay, what you need to do, please take a screenshot. Please take a screenshot. Done. Done. Done.
Done.
Okay, let's start with AutoIt scripting. Okay, so how exactly we can do that? So the first thing, at first you need to open. I will just write it because my machine is not supporting AutoIt, so I will not be able to show you. So open finder tool and editor, the first thing. Okay, okay, it's clear. So once we are good with the same, then we need to write a script to upload file. So we shall use AutoIt method, AutoIt methods. Now, as below. So which AutoIt method we are going to use? So the first method will use control focus. Okay, so if we'll use control focus, so why will use control focus? So this will give focus on the window. Okay, the second function will use control set text. Control set text. Okay, so if we'll use this one, so what exactly it will do? So this will set the file path. Okay, then exactly what we'll use? We'll use control click. Okay, so this will click on button. Okay, so please take a screenshot. Done? Done?
Done.
Done.
Yes.
Okay. So basically, this is the thing which exactly I just wanted to discuss with you all in terms of AutoIt. So if you can answer like this now, anyone can recognize you that you are good. They will ask you which function we use in AutoIt. So you have to say control focus, control set text, control click. Okay, that's it. Whatever I told you now, just focus the same. Okay, how exactly we can use? So basically we'll use get runtime function, we'll use runtime class. So like this, just listen and just mention anywhere. Okay, that's it. So we are good with AutoIt now. Okay, so just basically,
Is there any machine configuration that is required for using
yes,
AutoIt?
yes. I will not recommend to go ahead with your machine, and please do not go ahead with any configuration for AutoIt in your machine. Just keep handy the theory part. Okay, whatever I told you, na, just keep it handy along with you. That is more than enough. Okay.
Sure.
Okay. Please be muted, all the people. Okay. So just show me the few things. Okay. Now the topic pending is Selenium grid, right? Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So Selenium grid कब करते हैं अपन? Okay. So let me check few things more. If I can do something. Okay. So great. So should I start grid by tomorrow? That will be work for us. Okay. So I will share now the grid link. Okay, so I will share the grid link, and already I have shared with you all. So I will enable now grid link. Okay, so AutoIt we are good. So tomorrow itself we are going to start our Selenium grid. Okay, it's clear.
Okay, Shami.
Okay, so we are going to use Selenium grid by tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow we'll start by 8:30. Okay, and tomorrow, day after tomorrow, I hope I will complete the stuff. Okay, chalega.
Okay.
Okay, guys. Thank you so much.